How to hide your phone number in WhatsApp communities. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So before starting the video, make sure to update WhatsApp to the latest version. After updating WhatsApp, simply open up WhatsApp on a device. Now open up the community. If you want to search for your community, tap on the search icon and type the name. Now tap on the community. Now tap on three dots at the top right corner. Now simply tap on Announcements Info. Now go to Announcements. Now simply scroll down and tap on Phone Number Privacy. Now as you can see, your phone number is already hidden except for community admins. So you don't need to hide your phone number in communities. The only people who can see your phone number is the community admins or group admins. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.